Ever feel like you're not getting the respect you deserve? Maybe it seems like people aren't really listening, or they're dismissing your emotions and ideas. It's possible you're left feeling that you just don't matter to others. In this guide, we'll explore valuable lessons from Stoicism to help you navigate respect, even if you don't hold a high social status. Before we begin, if this is first time you are watching my video, make sure to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Lessons from Stoicism 1. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism guides us to channel our energy toward the things within our control, our thoughts, actions, and choices. Instead of getting caught up in external factors beyond our influence, this philosophy encourages a focus on the manageable aspects of life. 2. Speak so that people listen to you. Many who struggle with gaining respect often feel they lack a voice, that nobody truly listens. Making yourself heard is crucial for developing a presence that can earn respect from those close to you, family, friends, and colleagues alike. Use people's names when talking to them. Avoid overly complex language. Clarity fosters understanding. Ask more questions about the other person to show genuine interest. Employ hand gestures to enhance the clarity of your message. Maintain eye contact with everyone in the group to sustain interest. 3. Use confident body language. Our body language communicates how we perceive ourselves. Displaying confident body language can lead others to respect and look up to you. Key characteristics include: maintain good eye contact while speaking and listening. Adopt a posture that exudes confidence, no slouching or crossed arms. Walk with purpose, avoiding aimless wandering. Keep your chin up and eyes forward rather than looking down. Use hand gestures while speaking instead of keeping your hands in your pockets. 4. Improve your listening skills. Being a good listener is a trait that commands respect. A skilled listener appears empathetic and caring, fostering feelings of value and appreciation. To enhance your listening skills, pay attention during conversations by minimizing distractions. Put away your phone and focus on the speaker. Make eye contact and concentrate on what others are saying. Resist the urge to formulate responses while the other person is talking. Allow ample time for others to express themselves without feeling rushed. 5. Ask for help when you need it. Contrary to misconceptions, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, but rather a display of self-awareness. Acknowledge your limits and seek assistance when necessary. Don't let pride hinder your growth. Admit when you need assistance. It reflects self-awareness. Don't pretend to be capable of everything. Recognize your limitations. Seeking help doesn't diminish your worth. It emphasizes your practical approach. For instance, at work, asking a colleague for assistance or delegating tasks as a manager is a sign of effective leadership. 6. Keep your promises. Demonstrate reliability by honoring your commitments. Making promises without follow-through erodes trust. If challenges arise, apologize sincerely without making excuses. Strive to make amends and rectify the situation. 7. Be consistent. While change is natural, inconsistency between words and actions can erode respect. Align your opinions, preferences, and lifestyle choices to avoid being perceived as indecisive or dishonest. Strive for coherence between what you say and what you do. Avoid conflicting messages that may lead others to question your integrity. By embracing these Stoic lessons, you can navigate the path to earning respect even in circumstances where social status might seem to be a barrier. Remember, it's not about where you stand, but how you carry yourself. That influences how others perceive and respect you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on bell icon and turn on the notifications. See you soon.